Hi everyone! On a field day, when you have to be up and about or doing many errands all together, how do you go about yours? Well, in my case, I make sure that I zone it in the sense that since I drive on my own, so I need to really take note of effective time management. And I feel that zoning the errands, let's say if I'm going to an area or a particular city, well, I better make sure that at least I do 2 to 3 things within that area or vicinity so as not to waste like any more time or much resources. And then number 2, I make sure that I always have an extra change of clothes. Why is that? Because you'll never know if another new meeting would suddenly pop up that would entail you to actually have a blazer or a coat. So it helps to have it handy. See this? So this is one of my blazers. So having it there, easily accessible, is a big help. And apart from that, of course, gym clothes. Because since I do physical fitness, so if I can squeeze it, let's say during lunch break, or if not, I do it like later in the afternoon or early evening, so I better make sure I have it always ready at hand. And finally, of course, to never start our day without first setting the heart and the mind right. What do I mean by that? As always, remember to pray to our source. So Jesus loves us. The Lord always keeps His promises. These are my go-to hashtags, staple in my everyday postings, especially of biblical quotes and reminders. Because as always, when the heart and the mind is right, the day feels so much lighter. We are more at peace and we are likely to accomplish everything by God's grace. As always, let's be reminded, anyone can stand out and shine.